I plan on buying a Axial SCX-10 too, and then building a trailer. That's gonna be, first bit of the trailer is gonna be 12.25 inches wide, and then that's going to be the first part of the trailer, because it's going to be a 2-car trailer. So it's going to be 12.2 inches wide, 12.25 inches wide. Then that's how wide it's going to be for the first part. Then for the second part, it's going to be 10.71 inches wide. So it's going to go from being real wide to being skinny. So yeah. But then the width, the length is going to be um the length is going to be 41.5 inches long. So yeah, guys, that's going to be the truck and trailer build, which means the RC car is going to be $375.99. Then the trailer build, I really don't know how much. Then I don't know how much it'll be for the. Then for the axial, it'll be. Axial will cost, I think, like $400. No, like 300. And then trailer hitch is like $20. So yeah, guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed. Bye, guys. See y'all in the next upload. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Then for the RC drag car, guess what else? The RC drag car is gonna get upgraded. And so the RC drag car is gonna get upgraded to a 3.5 turn motor. Then the ESC is gonna be a competition ESC. Then motor and ESC, new motor and ESC are gonna be $320 for the drag car. So yeah. And it's gonna be well worth it. And hopefully, so yeah. That's gonna be new motor and ESC setup. But if y'all want, I will put the link to it, but I'm not right now. So hopefully like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys. See you on the next upload. Y'all are the best. Bye.